Picture this, you have got a small business and everything is running smoothly except when it comes to the payment. You want something easy, affordable and most importantly trusted one. So let's talk about the 5 online payment systems that will make your life easier. The first one is PayPal. You have probably seen it everywhere and there is a reason why is it so popular. For small businesses it is great because you can set it up fast and the customers also trust it. Plus it allows you to generate the invoices directly and even it offers the pay later option. The next payment solution comes from the Square. I love Square for its simplicity. It's not just an online payment process. They even have a physical readers if you sell in person. The best part is that there are no monthly fees. Square just takes a small cut per transaction, which is perfect if you are trying to keep cost down. The next in line is Stripe. The Stripe is a bit more technical, but it's insanely flexible if you're running an online store. It's built for developers so you can customize the payment experience to match your brand. The Stripe also provides the top-notch security which helps you brand your customers' trust. The next in line is QuickBooks. While the QuickBooks payment might surprise you, but if you're already using QuickBooks for accounting, this could be your new friend. It integrates everything so your sales, expenses and taxes are all in one place. In this way you save time and practically the bookkeeping is automatically done for you. And finally we have Venmo for business. This one is interesting because it lets you connect with your younger customer who love Venmo. Plus Venmo has a social feed also. So when someone pays you, their friend might see it too. So it's like a free advertising. It's easy and it's fast and it's available right now.